Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free PS Plus in 2025. So as you can see, I got the PS Plus mod right there. You just open it up and it's going to show you a page and it allows you to get a PS Plus code. You just have to press show coupon code and you can read all about it, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So let's get straight into the video. So basically what you need to do is go to this website. It's called hexmods.com. So let me just type it in. It's a really cool website because they have lots of modded apps and stuff like that. So once you're on the site, guys, I just want you to go to the search bar and type in PS Plus. And then at the bottom, you should see the PS Plus mod. So just press on it, press the download button, and then it will start downloading onto your device. So we're just going to wait for it to download here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super cool because PS Plus is very expensive. So if I'm able to get it for free, I'm going to be over the moon with excitement, guys. Now, before it downloads, there is going to be a little thing that comes up where it basically says missing files are required to get the PS Plus mod. So there is a video to watch if you're confused, but there are these apps from the App Store and you just download like 2 of them and reach like level 9, like Family Island says reach level 10. But then this one you just have to run it for 30 seconds. So they're all going to have their own instructions, but just make sure you do 2 of them. Just press on it and it will bring you to the App Store. I did the Family Island one where you have to reach level like 10 or whatever. But it's totally worth it, guys, because you can get free PS Plus. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and you should be good to go. So I will see you later, but please subscribe to my channel because I'm always trying to grow it. So yeah, you just press like show coupon code and it should generate your PS Plus code in the app. So yeah, it's super cool. I just don't want to generate any right now because I'm not trying to show the codes on camera. But yeah, this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, tell your friends and stuff, and peace out.